SpongeBob, Squidward. What's the meaning of this? Untie me at once.
Shut up.
Sweet Davy Jones. What the heck is going on?
I said shut up, you bucket of bolts.
I can't take it.
SpongeBob, are you okay?
Squidward, seeing you punch Mr. Krabs like that is too horrible to watch.
No, that's not Mr. Krabs. That is Robot Krabs.
Oh, yeah.
And the only way to get through to these robot types is to find out what they know. SpongeBob, you gotta ask him a question first.
Oh, yeah. What color is my underwear?
Let me handle this, okay? Where's Mr. Krabs?
What are you talking about? I am Mr. Krabs.
We can do this all day if you want. Where's Mr. Krabs?
I'm Mr. Krabs.
Where's Mr. Krabs?
I'm Mr. Krabs.
Where's Mr. Krabs?
I am Krabs. I am.
This is one stubborn robot.
What? You think me a robot?
We don't think, we know.